How are glass-lined vessels made? What do you get when you combine the strength of steel with the versatility of glass? Glass-lined vessels, essential equipment for chemical, pharmaceutical, and other industries around the world. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they're actually made? In just a few steps, we're going to show you the fascinating process behind these high-performance tanks. It all begins with the enamel. Raw materials are heated to an incredible 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit in a rotary furnace. Once melted, the glass is rapidly cooled in water. That thermal shock fractures it into tiny granules called frit. This frit is then dried, milled, and screened into a fine powder, ready to coat the interior of the vessel. Dietrich offers both blue and white enamels, not for function, but to meet operator visibility preferences depending on the chemicals used. Next comes the steel shell, the backbone of the vessel. The fabrication process is highly specialized. We start with the vessel heads and cutting pilot holes where nozzles will be placed. These holes are then expanded through a technique called swaging, which heats the steel and forms smooth seats for each nozzle. After that, the nozzles themselves are welded in place. Before any glass is applied, all other components that will contact it must be welded in place. After welding, the entire surface is grit blasted inside and out to ensure a perfect bond with the enamel. Now we apply the first layer of enamel, called the ground coat. This base layer is sprayed on as a liquid slurry, dried, and then precisely fired at a high temperature in an electric furnace. The result? A strong mechanical bond with the steel. Then come the cover coats. Applied, dried, fired, and cooled, each building up the vessel's corrosion-resistant surface. Between layers, technicians perform spark tests and measure thickness to ensure consistent lining. This cycle is repeated until the glass lining reaches the target thickness, typically 40 to 90 mils. Once the glassing is complete, the jacket is attached, allowing the vessel to operate at a wide range of process temperatures. The final product is a smooth, ultra-durable interior with bond strength comparable to pre-stressed concrete. Glass-lined vessels offer unmatched performance in demanding chemical environments with exceptional corrosion resistance, purity, and chemical compatibility. Want to learn more? Read our full blog and explore the process in even greater detail.